If you live in your terminal, obsess over open source, and treat privacy like gold, the StarFighter might be calling your name. But is it worth the price tag? Let's find out. The Starlab StarFighter ships in 3 flavors, starting at a hefty $1,178 and climbing over $3,500. You get bleeding-edge specs, up to 64GB soldered LPDDR5X RAM, a 16-inch QHD or 4K matte display hitting 625 nits, and up to 8TB of SSD storage, all packed in a 1.4 kilo magnesium chassis. For privacy lovers, removable magnetic webcam, hardware wireless kill switch, and pure open-source firmware with 5 years of updates. But RAM is non-upgradable. The AMD model costs $700 more for unclear reasons. Fans get loud under load, and the speakers are frankly wimpy. Real-world battery? Expect 5 to 7 hours, not the advertised 18. The verdict: if you're a Linux pro, privacy nut, or open-source diehard, StarFighter's power and freedom justify the investment. For casual users, your wallet's better off elsewhere.